Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ZEBRONICS Zeb Multimedia Headphone with mic. There is a nice picture of what this headphone is supposed to look like. It has a very nice form factor as well. This particular headphone comes with a adjustable mic, you can see from the photo over here, adjustable headband, 1.8 meter cable. It's compatible with PC, has soft cushion ear cups, comes with dual 3.5mm jack, and also has volume control, a volume rocker as well. There is a small transparent window over here, you can see the headphones through it. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the headphone. And this is more or less it. This is what you find inside the box. Okay, so this is what the Zeb Multimedia Headphone with mic looks like. It looks like a very large headset, but it's actually not. It's very light, has a super lightweight form factor. This is made out of hard plastic, and that's okay. It has great finish. The headbands are adjustable. The interiors are also made out of plastic. There you can see the interiors are also made out of plastic. And once again, that's not a bad thing. This is a super hard and durable plastic. So all in all, it has a lightweight but also a super durable form factor. This is the mic right over here. So if this is the left ear cup, so this is how it comes down. Basically, it only swivels in 90 degrees and not any other direction. And what else do we have? These are the soft ear cushions. This is the right ear cup, and it's written right over here. There's right written over here and left written right over here. There you can see left written over here. Now let's take a look at the cable. This is a 1.8 meter long cable. There you go. This is a 1.8 meter long cable, a pretty long cable, almost 2 meters long, so you won't have any issues plugging it to a PC and then hanging back. It also comes with this volume rocker right over here, and on the other end there are dual 3.5mm jacks, one for listening and the other for speaking. One is basically for your headphones and the other is for your mic. Let me quickly test this and see if the audio works. Unfortunately, I can only use it to listen, not speak. I have only one 3.5mm cable and there is no adapter to fit both of them. Yeah, that's it. It works really well. And that's what you find inside the box containing the ZEBRONICS Zeb Multimedia Headphone with mic. Thank you for watching.